Hello everyone and welcome to Tariq Show. In the past 2 months, Islamic religion being attacked really hard by French plus the French president Macron. So the thing here I would like to know why everyone attacking Islam. What's the reason? So the French president supporting everyone in France who talks rubbish about Prophet Muhammad and the religion Islam. Why Muslims don't attack any other religions prophets or any of the main prophets being sent to humanity? What's the reason? Why they don't attack and make fun out of prophets? If you do any search, you will find out in order for any Muslims to become a Muslim, they have to believe every prophet. Doesn't matter. Since Adam to Muhammad. 2 months ago, or in September, early September 2020, a French newspaper published a cartoon, and stupid character on their newspaper, and they called that character Prophet Muhammad. Of course, Muslims around the world became really angry. Well, there are almost 2 billion Muslims. Why you wanna make trouble and create hatred with 2 billion Muslims around the world? 6 million Muslims in France, and the French population is 66/99 people in France. So let's say 67 against 2 billion. 67 million against 2 billion Muslims. That number, it's really huge. It's actually the top religion in the world. Well, so why you wanna create hatred and make trouble? Well, it's not even funny. And he came out on the press and he stated he will support the freedom of the press. Well, Macron, he's supporting the freedom of his nation. Well, and they call it freedom of speech. They're making fun out of prophets, which is red line for anyone, for any prophet, for any religion. Do you know what they call it? Freedom of speech. No, it's not freedom. As soon as you hurt or you make anyone upset, you call it freedom? No, it's not. I call it abuse. You are abusing Muslims. A couple of years ago, there was a protest happened in France, as usual. So 2 years ago, there was a protest in Paris. And guess what happened there? 2 of the protesters that actually had Macron, the president of France, photo, and they burned it and they stepped on it. Guess what happened to them? They've been charged and jailed for 2 years. So what type of freedom is that? If you don't agree, if you don't like it for yourself, why do you support it against Islam only? And you said it clearly earlier this year. You said you don't approve of anyone attacks or even make fun out of Jewish. So what's the difference between Jewish and Muslims? Don't call them terrorists because you are terrorists. You are, and all French are terrorists. Do you want to know why I'm calling you terrorists? You have killed 8 million Algerian, and that was about 150 or between 100 to 150 years ago. French slaughtered 8 million Algerian, and they've actually cut their head completely from their body and they took them to France. They took over 3 million skull to France, and they still have it. They have him in a museum, and everyone comes and actually take photo and look at them. So who is terrorist here right now? Muslims aren't. If you say Muslims are terrorists, Muslims aren't. You are terrorists. See how many people you've killed in Algeria, in Africa, and in other countries as well. Look at the all hatred you're making right now. And how many people will be killed of your stupidity, of your stupid thinking? Guess what? You know that you are fucking dickhead. Macron is really fucking dickhead. He wanted to be there for the next election, exactly like Trump. They acting like kids. Whatever have to do with any election, they will bring Islam on the table. They always bring Islam into anything, especially in election. Whenever there is an election coming up. So I tell you something. I don't care what religion you are, and we're supposed to treat each other equally with respect. Doesn't matter, Jewish, Christian, or Muslims. They all equals. They all human. We are all human. We have to respect each other. If I respect you, you must respect me back. So what I don't really like about racist people, they are all the same. They are all have the same mentality. Doesn't matter which country you are from. Still, if you are racist and if you have a mental issue, don't bring it on other people. Keep it to yourself. We are in 2020, almost 2021, and you still have that thinking. Macron is only 43. I think he's only 43 years old. He's not supposed to be in his position. Really, it's not good to be a president. And the only thing he good about, he's really good when he talks. The other thing here, he doesn't know what to say. Therefore, he always make trouble. I've just like seen on the news 2 months ago, or actually before the conflict happened, before the photo or the cartoon of Prophet Muhammad being published, I think Emirates gave you over $150 billion to support you and support your country. I wonder why they gave you that money. And you have said, I always appreciate United Arab and the Arab people, the Arab nation, which Muslims, after you got the money, you are attacking Islam with Muslims' money. Don't you think is it funny? It's really funny, isn't it? You actually kissed their asses for money. That's what you did. You kissed their hands to give you money. I've seen it on the news, and it was so stupid of you to do something like that. No one kisses anyone's hands these days. So before you call anyone terrorists, and you have to look back to your history till now. Your history tells us French people are murderers. They have killed millions of people, and they still have their skeleton in the museum in Paris. So if you don't believe me, just get a ticket or even Google, which is more easier, and you will see for yourself a real human skeleton or skull. They've been in a showroom in France. So if we say Macron is one of the bad fucking ass racists, there's someone I know. He lives in Australia, in Melbourne. He looks similar to Macron. He always loves to create trouble, and he's one of the fucked up racists as well. I think you know who I'm talking about. Some of you know who I am talking about. I'm talking about Avi Yemini. This guy here. Listen here. If you really love drama or love to attend to protest and rally, I recommend for you to go to Paris, to France. They actually have a protest basically every 2 weeks, every month there. And what I've noticed about you, all your videos, they're actually from a protest or rally happening around. I've seen you in UK, in Melbourne. I just would like to know how many protests you have attended to. It's really amazing to see someone like him, to see someone who's really active more than the activists for themselves. Well, Macron, racist and fucked up. Actually, you look similar. You should go and live there. Yeah, they will love you and they will support you. Yes, because you are attacking Muslims and Islams as well. They will pay you even, and I'm really sure you are already getting paid from somewhere else. Okay, as what I mentioned in my one of the episodes, you have a cameraman and a sound guy and yourself. How do you pay yourself again? Anyway, if we talk about Avi Yemini, we need another time for it. I'm really sure we will find time to reveal everything about Avi Yemini. Before I end this episode, Avi Yemini Yemeni actually had the COVID-19. He had the coronavirus. He went to a protest in Melbourne with COVID-19 symptoms. Did you know about it? I'm really sure many of you are seeing Avi Yemeni with his runny nose, and he actually was sneezing as well. Yeah, his mistake was as soon as he took the mask off, I've seen clearly like his nose was runny. Anyway, we'll talk about Avi Yemeni in the next episode. So before I end this show, don't forget to subscribe and to activate the bell to get on my new show on time. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.
Every time you feel like you cannot go on, you feel so lost and that you're so alone. All you see is night and darkness all around. You feel so helpless, you can't see which way to go. Don't despair and never lose hope, 'cause Allah is always by your side. Inshallah, 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 you'll find your way. Inshallah, 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 you'll find your way. Every time you commit one more mistake, you feel you can't repent and that it's way too late. You're so confused, wrong decisions you have made haunt your mind and your heart is full of shame. But don't despair and never lose hope, 'cause Allah is always by your side. Inshallah, 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 you'll find your way. Inshallah.